Hi all. Today I'm going to share with you 5 tips for promoting healthy sleep habits in babies. It's important for parents to understand the importance of sleep for a baby's growth and development and to make sleep a priority. By promoting healthy sleep habits, parents can help ensure that their baby gets the rest they need to reach their full potential. Importance of sleep for a baby's growth and development. 1. Physical development. Sleep helps a baby's body grow and repair itself, which is essential for physical development. During sleep, the body releases growth hormones that promote growth and repair of tissues and organs. 2. Cognitive development. Sleep plays a crucial role in the development of a baby's brain. During sleep, the brain processes information from the day and forms new connections that support cognitive development, such as memory and problem-solving skills. 3. Emotional regulation. Sleep helps babies regulate their emotions and manage stress. When babies are well rested, they are better able to handle stress and cope with changes in their environment. 4. Improved mood. Good sleep can improve a baby's mood and overall well-being. When babies are well rested, they are more likely to be in a positive mood and have the energy to explore and learn. 5. Better concentration and attention. Sleep helps babies focus and pay attention, making it easier for them to learn and absorb new information. When babies are well rested, they are more attentive and focused, making it easier for them to engage in learning and play activities. There are several common sleep challenges faced by parents of young children. 1. Establishing a sleep routine. Getting a baby into a consistent sleep routine can be difficult, especially for first-time parents. Babies may have irregular sleep patterns, making it difficult for parents to know when to put them to bed. 2. Night wakings. Many babies wake up frequently during the night, which can be challenging for parents. Night wakings can be caused by a variety of factors, including hunger, teething, or anxiety. 3. Separation anxiety. As babies grow and become more aware of their surroundings, they may experience separation anxiety when it's time for bed. This can make it difficult for them to fall asleep or stay asleep. 4. Sleep regression. Sleep regression is a normal part of a baby's development, but it can be challenging for parents. During sleep regression, babies may have trouble sleeping and may wake up more frequently during the night. 5. Bedtime battles. Some babies may resist going to bed, which can result in bedtime battles with parents. Bedtime resistance can be caused by a variety of factors, including overstimulation, hunger, or anxiety. 6. Transitions. Transitions can be difficult for babies, such as moving from a crib to a bed or switching to a new sleep environment, like traveling. This can result in disruptions to their sleep routine. By understanding these common sleep challenges, parents can better prepare themselves and develop strategies to help their children get the sleep they need. It's important to remember that every baby is different, and what works for one child may not work for another. By being patient and persistent, parents can help their children develop healthy sleep habits. Strategies for promoting healthy sleep habits in babies. 1. Sleep patterns. The typical sleep patterns of babies can vary greatly, but here's a general guide to the amount and frequency of sleep that babies need. 1. Newborns, 0 to 3 months. Newborns typically sleep between 14 and 17 hours a day, with frequent night wakings. They may sleep for as little as 30 minutes to as long as 4 hours at a time during the day and night. 2. Infants, 4 to 11 months. Infants at this stage typically sleep for about 12 to 15 hours a day, with 1 to 2 naps during the day. They may sleep for as little as 30 minutes to as long as 2 hours at a time during the day and night. 3. Toddlers, 1 to 3 years. Toddlers typically sleep for 11 to 14 hours a day, with 1 nap during the day. They may sleep for as little as 30 minutes to as long as 2 hours at a time during the day and night. It's important to note that these are general guidelines, and every baby is unique. Some babies may sleep more or less, and their sleep patterns may change as they grow and develop. Additionally, the frequency of sleep is also important for babies. Consistent, regular sleep patterns can help babies get the rest they need for optimal growth and development. Interruptions to their sleep patterns, such as naps at inconsistent times or irregular bedtimes, can make it more difficult for babies to fall asleep and stay asleep. 2. Creating a sleep-conducive environment. Day sleep and night sleep are different in terms of the amount of light, noise, and activity present. During the day, there is typically more light and activity, which can make it difficult for babies to fall asleep and stay asleep. At night, it is important to create a sleep-conducive environment that is quiet and dark to help babies differentiate between day and night sleep. 1. Keep the sleep environment dark and quiet. Closing curtains or blinds, using blackout curtains, or using a sleep shade can help reduce the amount of light in the room, making it easier for babies to fall asleep and stay asleep at night. Additionally, reducing the amount of noise in the room by using a white noise machine or using earplugs can help create a calm and quiet sleep environment. 2. Establish a consistent bedtime routine. Creating a consistent bedtime routine, such as a bath, story time, and lullaby, can help signal to babies that it is time to sleep. Consistency is key, as it helps babies learn to associate certain activities with sleep. 3. Encourage daytime activities. Encouraging babies to be active and play during the day can help them be more tired and ready for sleep at night. Spending time outside, playing with toys, or engaging in physical activity can help babies feel more awake and alert during the day, which can make it easier for them to fall asleep at night. 4. Limit screen time before bedtime. The blue light from screens, such as televisions, phones, and tablets, can interfere with the production of melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep. Limiting screen time before bedtime can help babies wind down and prepare for sleep. They need to grow and develop. It's important to be patient, as it may take time for babies to adjust to a new sleep routine. 3. Consistent bedtime routine. Having a consistent bedtime routine is important for a number of reasons, including 1. Helps regulate sleep patterns. A consistent bedtime routine can help regulate sleep patterns by signaling to babies that it is time to wind down and prepare for sleep. Over time, babies will learn to associate certain activities with sleep, making it easier for them to fall asleep and stay asleep. 2. Promotes relaxation. A bedtime routine can help create a calm and relaxing environment that promotes sleep. Activities such as a warm bath, a soothing story, or a lullaby can help babies relax and feel more sleepy, making it easier for them to fall asleep. 3. Enhances bonding. Spending time with your baby during a bedtime routine can enhance the bond between parent and child. Reading a story, singing a lullaby, or simply holding your baby can create a warm and nurturing environment that promotes sleep. 4. Reduces bedtime struggles. A consistent bedtime routine can reduce bedtime struggles by providing a structure for sleep. Babies will learn to expect certain activities at bedtime, reducing the likelihood of resistance or crying at bedtime. 4. Avoiding sleep-disrupting habits. There are several habits that can disrupt sleep for babies and young children, including 1. Overstimulation. Engaging in stimulating activities, such as playing with toys or watching TV, too close to bedtime can interfere with sleep. It's important to limit stimulation in the hour or two leading up to bedtime to help babies wind down and prepare for sleep. 2. Late night feedings. Late night feedings can disrupt sleep for both babies and parents. Gradually phasing out nighttime feedings, as directed by a healthcare provider, can help babies learn to sleep through the night. 3. Inconsistent sleep schedules. Inconsistent sleep schedules can confuse babies and interfere with their sleep. Keeping a consistent bedtime routine, even on weekends, can help regulate sleep patterns and promote better sleep. By avoiding these sleep-disrupting habits and creating a sleep-conducive environment, parents can help their babies get the rest they need to grow and develop. It's also important to be patient and flexible, as sleep patterns and habits may change as babies grow and develop. 5. Responding to night wakings. Night wakings are common for babies and young children, and can be a source of frustration for parents. Here are some strategies for responding to night wakings. 1. Check for needs. Before responding to a night waking, check to see if the baby is hungry, dirty, or uncomfortable. If so, attend to their needs and return them to bed as soon as possible. 2. Offer comfort. If the baby is upset or anxious, offer comfort and reassurance. Rocking, singing a lullaby, or holding the baby can help soothe them back to sleep. 3. Be patient. Night wakings are a normal part of a baby's sleep pattern and may persist for several months or even years. It's important to be patient and understanding, and to remember that this is a temporary phase that will eventually pass. It's also important to note that every baby is different, and what works for one may not work for another. Parents may need to experiment to find the approach that works best for their baby. Additionally, it's important to seek advice from a healthcare provider if persistent night wakings are causing concern. Yes, it's important to encourage parents to be patient and persistent in their efforts to help their babies get the sleep they need. Establishing healthy sleep habits can take time, and parents may need to experiment with different approaches to find what works best for their baby. Additionally, sleep patterns and habits can change as babies grow and develop, so parents may need to adjust their strategies over time. Thanks for joining us on this video. If you liked it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and we will keep providing you valuable information.